Hello everyone, welcome to our online class. Standard 6 Subject Science. This is the revision video of lesson number 11 Work and Energy Part 2. Let's recall what we had studied in our previous video. We had studied about work, the relationship between work and energy, forms of energy, that is mechanical energy, potential energy and kinetic energy. Let's start with heat energy. The earth receives heat in proper quantities from the sun. That is how an atmospheric temperature favorable to the living world is maintained. Heat is a form of energy. Sunlight contains heat energy. Heat is produced by burning of fuel. Heat energy is used in the kitchen all the time. Heat is measured in a unit called calorie. Heat is a form of energy that is transferred between systems or objects with different temperature, that is flowing from the high temperature system to the low temperature system, also referred to as heat energy or thermal energy. The biggest example of heat energy in our solar system is the sun itself. The sun radiates heat to warm up us on the planet Earth. When the burner of the stove top is very hot, it is a source of heat energy. When the convex lens is held in such a way that it helps the sun rays to focus on one point, very soon the smoke is seen arising from this point. The heat energy from the sun is concentrated due to the convex lens and hence the paper start burning. In this way, solar energy is converted into heat energy. Light energy. We have learned that plants make their own food with the help of sunlight. It means that light energy is transformed into the energy in food. Plants and animals use this food for doing their work. It means that light is a form of energy. Light energy, like sound energy, travels out in all directions in waves. Example, a light bulb, the glowing coils on a toaster, the sun, and even headlights on a cars. Light energy is transformed into food energy by plant. They perform function of photosynthesis in which sunlight is used in the presence of chlorophyll to synthesize their own starch. Sound energy. You might have seen the glass panes of a windows cracks due to a loud noise. Similarly, sound is used to control the movement of some toys car. This means that some work is done by sound. It tells us that sound is a form of energy. Sound energy is the movement of energy through a substance such as air or water in a form of waves. It is produced when a force causes an object or substance to vibrate. Chemical energy. When wood burns, we get heat and light. Sometimes we hear a crackling sound as well as. What makes this happen? The energy stored in wood is emitted in various forms through chemical action. Lead acid battery, that electricity is produced. The energy obtained through chemical action is called as a chemical energy. For example, coal combustion reaction convert chemical energy into light and heat. Transformation of energy. Energy transformation, also known as energy conversion, is the process of changing energy from one form to another. Energy is a quantity that provides a capacity to perform work or provide heat. Let us consider one chain of transformation of energy. In course of water cycle, water evaporates due to the heat of the sun. This water vapor forms cloud that give rain. Rainwater flows into the river and is stored in the reservoirs on dams. These are at a height and therefore the water has potential energy which is transformed into kinetic energy as water falls downward. When the water falls on the turbine, its kinetic energy is transferred to the turbine. The turbine rotates, producing electrical energy. You can see from this picture how electricity gets transferred into various other forms of energy. Electrical energy is used in our home for various purposes. It is transformed into light energy on lighting a bulb, into kinetic energy on starting a fan, into a sound energy while playing a music system, and into heat energy in an oven. Thus, we see that we are indirectly utilizing nothing but solar energy in all this transformation of energy. In the other word, the sun is the most important source of all energy. In our next video, we are going to study about energy resources, energy saving and green energy. Thank you.